Okay, here's a video of one of my very early boats. When I first started doing RCCRAFT toy boats, I made a whole line of 16-inch boats, and this is one of them. This is a Chris Craft Deluxe, I called it. 16 inches long. This particular boat is Hull 7, made in 1997. I got it back recently because the guy who bought it from me passed away, and it was a little banged up. I cleaned it up, did some work to it, and anyway, here it is lit up. Rear flagpole lights, motor runs. Bow light lights up, although it lights up a little dull, but it does light up. I had to put a new battery box in it. Battery boxes I used on these boats originally was a thin plastic, and the darn thing's cracked and broke, and so I replaced them. And anyway, other than that, for a boat built in 1997, it's holding up really well. And I cleaned it up, polished it up a little bit and stuff like that. Like I said, rewired the battery box. Got it going. It looks good. I'm gonna stick it online. See if anybody wants to pick one up. I don't make these. I can still make these. I've got all the patterns, but it's a nice little boat. Runs great. I have a rudder stand for it. It's a pretty boat, as you can see. And of course, back in '97, we couldn't do real good videos. So anyway, I'm putting it online so people can see it. I'll stick it on eBay for sale. If it doesn't sell, I'll keep it. I don't have hardly any of my original early boats anyway, so. And thanks again for all your kind comments on my boats. You can see all my boats on RCCRAFT.com or on YouTube. You see any model you want, just let me know. I could probably build it for you. Thanks again.